In this video, I am going to explain the working of a gear train. It's a spur gear. Basically, its teeth are parallel to its center axis and it's used to transmit power between two parallel shafts. And here you can see I made two spur gears and mount it on the shaft and lock it rotation by using parallel sunk key. And then I mount this shaft on a frame that's here, so it's on gear housing. And I saw how we animate it. So first we make a constraint between this spur gear. I take this plane here, set angle and click on this. I take this plane and here is constant, and here one new parameter is appear. Now I drive it. Here let's change something. I have to set this to 5. Let me check this, otherwise it will be minimized while running. And this is 10 times. No, here drive adaptively. This is 20. Now you can see, let's increase to 50. Wow, this is the one of the simplest way to animate gear in Inventor 2020. And I made this all gears, shaft, keys and bearing by using design accelerator. It's very simple to make from design accelerator, and nothing dropped, only this frames I dropped. So thanks.